Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 84, and in this quick tip we're going to be using the tutorial 16 strategy, which you can see at markplex.com, to demonstrate some features of the inputs. So if we go to the strategy at the moment and click Studies, then Edit Strategies, we can look at the current inputs that we have. And if we have the program open, you'll see I've had this recently applied to the chart. You'll notice that those inputs are the same. But what if I change some of these inputs? For example, let's just say I want to change the stop loss from 500 to 250. And let's just change, for example, the profit target from 1900 to 1000. Now say I want these to remain next time I use the program. So what I would do is I would click set default. Well, first of all, before I do that, I just want to show you that we've changed those in the program, but of course they have not changed here. And equally, if I were to change the values here, they would not change anything on the program unless I removed the strategy completely and reapplied it. So let's just say that the inputs that we have for the program at the moment are to our liking. So what we can do is go double click again, change the inputs to what we want. Here we have stop loss 250, profit target 1000, and what I'm going to do is just click set default. And that's going to ask this question about to change the default inputs to the strategy. From now on, whenever the strategy is added to a chart, the new inputs will be used. Would you like to change the default? So I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to go to the program, and you'll see we get this value here. So if we look at the stop loss at the moment is 500, it's asking me if I want to reload it because it's been altered. I'm going to say yes, and you'll see that nothing's happened. And what I've noticed is that sometimes what we have to do is go back into the program and click set default again. Would you like to change the defaults? Yes. Okay, then go back to the program. We do want to reload it, say yes, and you'll see this time that the stop loss has changed, so beware of that. And just to let you know what I mean, say we change the stop loss here to be, just say like 100, and we verify the program. If we go to the program applied to the chart, you'll see that, of course, that has not changed here. In fact, even if I close this dialog, then go back to the strategy, and it hasn't changed there. However, if I did close the strategy completely, so going to go Studies, Edit Strategy, going to remove that completely, and now I'm going to go back and apply it again. So I'm going to say Add Strategy, and look at the inputs. You'll see that by removing it and reapplying it, that new stop loss that we added in the strategy itself has now appeared for the chart. So the key thing is, when you're using a program, the inputs that count that you need to be aware of, these ones here, not necessarily the ones in the program, which you may have changed. And if you want the two to be in sync, you need to press set default, and maybe just double check that has worked. If not, just press it again. So hopefully that might be useful to you. If you're interested in easy language, please go to markplex.com, markplex.com, join the email list, and also subscribe to this video channel. Thank you very much.